Our skin constantly fights gravity, but aging takes away the quality of its youth, thus causing our skin to loosen over time. Up until now, plastic surgery was the only option for lifting. But technology has provided us with a new, non-surgical solution, HDPDO. Each face has a unique geometry. HDPDO technique is designed to provide individual patterns to best suit you. HDPDO uses FDA-cleared threads made in Italy. Visit HDPDO.com to get your certification in soft surgery and enter the new era of aesthetics.